goodness,
my
guys.
God.
I'm so happy that you finally get to meet our beautiful Laxi. Hi, Trini.
Trini Laxi.
Oh my God, Aki, this is so beautiful.
I know. Finally.
So beautiful, your clothes.
Angalia venye kanishanga.
What? Ha. They are called Kenyans, mtu wangu. Hawa ni wa Kenya. Kenyans will watch. Kenyans will say whichever, they don't care what you react. As long as tumewawekea kitu pale kwa mtandao, they will talk about it. You are wondering what am I talking about? I'm talking about Dewa Jesus. Dewa Jesus, wamekuwa na show. And before I tell you that, remember this show inaitwa Sultan Rabbit Updates. I give you updates zenye zinafanyika kila kona. So this is the best place, this is the best channel to follow, this is the best channel to subscribe to, because hapa ndo utapata kila kitu, hapa ndo utapata every story that is trending. So my name is Sultan Rabbit Kenya, and today I want to tell you what has happened, and I just want to show you the reactions of Kenyans after Dewa Jesus wameenda kureveal baby face ya mtoto wao. The daughter is called, huyo mtoi anaitwa Laxi. I think it's Laxi because it is jina yake ni Luxe. Juu utaisomaji itategemea. But see, here are the reactions zenye Wakenya wamekuwa nazo. Walai, Kenyans nyinyi. Check it out.
Family 50 ma face reveal. Kwanza kuna party na naangalianga ati face reveal. Una revealia nani sura jamani? Ati face reveal. That is your kid. No, yeye ni mtoto wako.
Nimetoka kwa face reveal ya celeb fulani hapo hivyo. Walikuwa wanalia wakionyeshana hiyo face reveal. Like wanalia ni kama hawajakaa na huyo mtoto for the past 6 months, and don't forget amekuwa akinyonyesha huyo mtoto. That's not the point. The point is kuna mtu hapo chini amesema kwa comment section, hawa bila kuzaa kuna content.
I just unfollowed Miliwa Jesus and Kabiwa Jesus yesterday on Instagram. I know that does not make any difference because they're still at over 1 million followers, each of them. But honestly, I just saw that video yesterday of them doing the face reveal of their child. And I was just sitting over there wondering, their so-called friends are reacting to this video. And I was just like, no, there's no way over 30-year-olds can be behaving like this. What? No. That was when I decided, no, I just need to unfollow. And yeah, I did it.
So hizo ndo zimekuwa reactions za Wakenya, by the way. For me, I feel like what Dewa Jesus did, for me, I can say it was not a bad thing, but somehow, you're like, okay, anyway, kila mtu na story yake. When my time comes, nitaona kama nita reveal mtoto kwa YouTube face, ama nitafanya tu juu mtoto amekuja kwa dunia, amekuja, ama whichever, ama hata maybe sitaingilia, I don't know, but when my time comes I will see. But those were the reactions za Wakenya. You can tell me pale kwa comment section, do you think Dewa Jesus kufanya hivyo, was it right or wrong? You can just tell me pale kwa comment section, and subscribe please. Follow me on other social media platforms, TikTok at Sultan Rabbit, Facebook Eliud Kisa or Sultan Rabbit Kenya, zote mbili, then pia kwa IG Sultan Rabbit 254. Bye bye, let's meet on another story, on another update next time.